Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can save double by using a DIY box for your handmade or any items that you wanted to sell online. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Now that we're done with the packaging, another important thing na kailangan meron tayo if we are going to do an online business is to have a fast and reliable internet. That is why I am using a Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. It is LTE advanced 2 times faster at mas pinabilis easy to install pa, and very sulit yung bayad mo. And because of this pandemic, most of us, especially tayong mga nanay, are looking for something na makakadagdag sa ating income. And online business is yung pinakang best para sa ating mga stay-at-home mom. You can maximize all the social media platforms para i-promote yung mga items ninyo and also para ibenta sila. You can use Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, or even you can make your own YouTube channel where you can share your handmade tutorials. You wanna make sure na mabilis din tayong makakontak ng ating mga customers. Kaya naman kailangan talaga natin yung mabilis na internet para sa mabilis nating pag-upload at pakikipag-transact sa ating mga customers. Para sa ating mga nanay, lalo na sa mga katulad ko na walang nanny, we always want na mapabilis lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. And dahil nga sa mas pinabilis na ang Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi, I have more bonding time with the kids. That means double the love para sa mga double discarding nanay like us. Thank you for watching and sana po may natutunan po kayo sa video na ito and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!